So the question on everybody's mind, I'm sure, is what are my everyday ride essentials? Let's go for a quick ride, find somewhere to stop, and I will run you through them. Let's go. So let's dig into it. What is up, beautiful people? As I mentioned before and as promised, I'm going to go through what I carry in my saddlebag, my back pockets and on my bike. I'm about halfway through my ride at the moment. I'm just over 20k through. Beautiful day, so let's dig into it. So first up, inner tubes, spare inner tubes. I carry at least one spare inner tube on me. I don't ride tubeless. I'm still a noob to this whole cycling thing, just getting into it. Absolutely love it. Along with that, I carry a couple of tyre levers and a micro pump, just all fits in my saddlebag nicely. Along with that, I have this incredible multi-tool, which has basically every size Allen key under the sun on there. Bonus points, I found it in the skip, so it was free. Still a little bit rusty, but you know what, still does the trick. I often carry one or maybe two gels on me. I generally don't need them for like just day-to-day riding, but every so often I get the craving for one, so I do try and keep at least one on me. I always carry at least 2 bottles of water. I often get really super hot, and it's nice to always make sure you've got plenty of water on board. Along with that, I always carry my Wahoo, which is up front on my bike. I often have my GoPro attached to the front, and that's about it really. So let me know what's in your ride essential pack. Comment, like and subscribe, and don't forget to come find me on Strava and Zwift, and keep riding on.